Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss out on the best IGTV recommended videos on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on IGTV recommended video notifications, step by step, so you can stay updated with the latest long-form content from your favorite creators. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's main settings. This is where you'll control how apps like Instagram send you notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Find and select Instagram from the list. Once you're in the Instagram app settings, tap on Notifications. This section lets you manage what kind of alerts you receive from Instagram. Now look for the option called Notification Categories. Tapping this will display a list of different types of notifications that Instagram can send. Scroll through the categories until you find IGTV. This is where you can control notifications specifically for IGTV content. Finally, look for the toggle or switch next to IGTV recommended videos. Make sure this option is turned on. Once you've done this, your phone will notify you whenever Instagram recommends a new IGTV video that matches your interests. That's it. You've just set up your phone to alert you whenever there's a new IGTV recommended video on Instagram. This way, you'll never miss out on trending topics, exclusive interviews, or creative series from the people you follow and beyond. If you ever want to adjust these notifications, just follow these steps again and choose the settings that work best for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy discovering amazing IGTV content on Instagram.